Hello, welcome to this video on rationalising the denominator. This one is just going to be on the first ones, the simple ones. So I'm going to show you the strategy with 1 over root 3. Well, what we do is we multiply that by 1, but a special type of 1. Root 3 over root 3, that's 1. So this is going to stay the same. Now, what happens here? 1 times root 3 is root 3, and root 3 times root 3 is 3. Now that is called rationalising the denominator. What it means is we get rid of the surd in the denominator, and that's what it's all about. So here there's a surd in the denominator, here there isn't. Okay? Let's try this one. Root 10 over root 10. So it's a special type of 1. Well, let's have a look. 1 times root 10 is root 10. Root 10 times root 10 is 10. And that's a special type of pattern. So if it's 1 over a surd, so let's show you another one. Any one, it doesn't matter. 1 over root 7, that's going to be, I bet you can guess, root 7 over 7. So you'll see those a lot. Number 3 is a bit different. Oh, keep doing that wrong. There we go. Now, 2 over root 7. Again, we still multiply by root 7 over root 7, the same idea, a special type of 1, but this time it's going to be a bit different. So 2 root 7 over 7. 2 times root 7 is 2 root 7. Root 7 times root 7 is 7. And there you go. Okay, hopefully that's so far so good. You can see the strategy. This one's a bit different, root 12 over root 48. Well, we can do a special skill here. If I'm doing root 12 over root 48, that is the same as root 12 over 48 as a fraction. We can actually divide these numbers. Well, that gives me 12 over 48. Well, what is that? And you know that's a quarter, don't you? Well, that can then split it up into a surd at the top and a surd at the bottom. Well, root 1, we all know, don't we, is 1, and root 4 is 2. So this is actually a half. And you sometimes get ones like that, where you can turn this into a simplified fraction by doing your division. Here, 1 over root x. See this type a lot, and it's the same principle. Insert a bit of algebra, but don't be afraid. 1 times root x is just root x. And root x times root x, well, that's x. Just like these ones. Okay, I hope that's clear and you can see the strategy. These we're multiplying by 1, a special type of 1, depending on what your denominator is. And it works the same with algebra. And sometimes you can simplify in a different way.